So last night you gave a talk, and
I did.
I really like. I'll be honest. I always love talking with you. I love talking with you on stage. I love shooting the shit with you. But you sort of, I've heard a little bit of this talk before. The way back talk, as I like to sort of think of it.
Yeah, the way back talk.
Yeah. Throw it at me again.
Okay, so the way back talk is a way of understanding the why of this, because everyone asks first, what do you do?
Yeah.
That's not the important question to start with. Why are you doing it is the important question. So the way back talk is a way to set perspective. So it took hundreds of thousands of years for humanity to understand basic tools. It took tens of thousands of years for them to optimize those tools and start to create some sort of reproducibility so that you could get very small communities using common sets of tools.
Yeah.
It took thousands of years to organize that into progressively larger systems of tools and protocols that created cities. The ability for a city to exist is a large aggregation of tools, protocols, and commonalities, standardizations around how those tools are used. It then took only hundreds of years to organize that into what we call factories, which were concentrated areas of production of standardized units. Then it took only tens of years for software to come in and take control of all of the manufacturing processes of the world, right? So each step that you're taking is concentrating standardization, concentrating power, concentrating control.
So if software was the last
production.
piece, the 10-year piece, what's next after software?
Well, AI, as we call it now, is eating software at a rapid rate in the pace of just years.
Yeah.
So in only a few years, well over 50% of code publicly available in GitHub is produced by AI. If you look out on X just today, you will find hundreds of people who have produced whole SaaS platforms based on the latest code models with zero code input. So the epoch of human coders is about to end, and that it will be ceded to what we are calling AI at this point.
I heard
So
the term.
The question is again of sovereignty.
Yeah.
So if all control is in software, if software controls every system in the world, and it does, every modern system in the world, everything you see, all your transportation systems, all your logistics systems, all your financial systems, all your communication systems, everything is controlled by software.
Yeah.
Everything has software in it, right? Almost everything now.
Yeah.
And increasingly so. If you now say that we're right at the cusp of AI taking that over, who's controlling that AI? Because that AI controls all the software. The software controls the means of all things that humans do, and down the line.
Yeah.
Right? So AI now is going to control software, how software is produced, how software is distributed, what software runs, et cetera.